Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes guys, you see lots of veggie, lots of fruits. Alright, I'm gonna show you how I make a quick salad bowl. I'm gonna take it to work with me, so I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna make it really simple and easy. Okay, don't look over here guys, it's just 2 pieces of fish. I just kind of put a little olive oil and just kind of fry them a little bit in a little oil, not too much. Them not look so happy and nice, but them delicious. All right guys, so we have some lettuce cut up small pieces, some spinach and some cucumber. We have some onions right there, fresh cut onions, few strawberries and few slices of apple, and we have some blueberries right here guys. All right, so that's what we're gonna use for the salad. I'm gonna use this salad bowl, and I have some pumpkin seed, a little bit of cranberries, and a little bit of sunflower seed. I have some extra virgin olive oil, and I have this red wine vinegar. All right, I'm gonna make like the dressing for it, maybe just 2 teaspoons of that. And I'm gonna put a tablespoon or 2 teaspoons, maybe about, let's do 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You know that this kind of tangy right now and it have no sweetness to it, so I'm gonna put like about half teaspoon to a teaspoon of sugar. And that's it. Simple and nice. You can add more stuff to it guys, but just leave it simple and nice. All right, if you don't want to put the sugar, you can put a teaspoon of honey. Okay, but I don't have no honey right now, so you can use the honey instead. Okay, so let's make this bowl. All right my peeps, we're gonna grab some lettuce, some spinach. I'm just gonna make a small amount for you guys because I don't think I have to use all of it all at once. I would need a bigger bowl. You're gonna add some cucumbers, I'm gonna put my apples, something like that. And then I'm gonna put my onions, pieces of onions. Just mix it up guys, it doesn't matter. All right, just put my strawberries at the side. Some blueberries. We're gonna put a little pumpkin seed, a little sunflower seed. Very healthy salad here guys, and you can put whatever you want in it. All right, for sweetness we're gonna put some dry cranberries, not too much because we have sweet fruit there already. All right, and this is my my dressing for it. You don't have to put all of it, okay guys? I'm just gonna put a little like this over it, maybe about 2 of this, so I don't want to overdo it. All right, I'm gonna come over here and take my fish. Nobody look funny guys, it's not too bad, but you can't go on. All right, I'm gonna set my fish like so on top. I have some Parmesan I'm gonna use, but you can use some mozzarella if you like. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan on top. And that's it. A few pieces of bell pepper, and I'm just gonna set it on it like that. You can use any bell pepper of your choice. All right, my peeps, and that's it. You see how easy and healthy, and this is my supper or my dinner for work. All right, you can make it any time of the day for lunch, breakfast, or dinner, brunch. All right, my peeps, and this is it. This is my amazing tossed salad for you. You can put chicken on top, you can put fish, you can do it without. All right, you can maybe even do a few boiled eggs if you want. All right, my peeps, and this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. I'm gonna dive in it. You get your veggie here, and you get your fruits, you get your protein from your fish, your omega-3, your antioxidants from your berries. Oh my goodness, yes, super healthy. And you have your greens in there, guys, where you get your fibers as well. All right, complete meal. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys. And you can use whatever dressing you want for it, okay? Don't pay the fish them no mind. Them look all right, them taste good though. Guys, nonetheless, I forgot my avocado, but you can go ahead and put your avocado in it. So put some avocado in it, all right? And I'm just gonna do it like that and put my avocado and take it to work just like that, okay? So don't forget your avocado. You don't have to put avocado in it, but I like avocado. I don't eat too much of it, but I like it in it. So put avocado on it, okay, guys?